So you've got a little bit of grey, that sort of silver fox look, maybe a little bit George Clooney. Nice. But it does kind of make you look old. I've opened with an introduction that basically insults you for looking old. So now's a perfect time for me as a YouTuber to ask you to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on all the future videos where I also might insult you. But all joking aside, grey can look great and a lot of men embrace grey. But if, like me, you don't want to age gracefully, you want to hold back those years, you want to touch things up a little bit, it's time to touch up the beard. So as you can see here, I've got quite a considerable amount of grey showing on my beard. Some bits are more noticeable than others. This is basically me not doing anything with my beard for about a week and a half, so this is what it looks like pretty much if I did nothing with it. So I have used other kits before, but this time I wanted to use the Colorsmith one. The reason being is I've seen an awful lot of adverts for it pop up on my Instagram and on Facebook, etc. So I thought I'd give it a try. You get a brush and comb included, which actually is surprisingly good quality. Then we have the developer, we have the colour, again, that's been matched directly to what I should need, a groom kit and gloves. Now if I look at the groom kit just to see what's in here, a stain guard. So what that is that's a pre-treatment. You basically use this to touch up the edges where obviously you don't want the stain to run into, so across your cheeks and jawline. And also I tend to find if I've done anything to my beard, I'm brilliant for managing to get my earlobes coloured. I don't know why, I just always seem to manage it. So pop a bit of stain guard on there will be ideal. If you do actually have a little bit of a stain after you've washed the product off, there is a stain remover, same sort of thing, just go and touch up the edges. More full instructions. We have a sachet of shampoo and a sachet of conditioner. So you have literally got, because I say it even includes in here the gloves. It's literally, you have everything you need in there. Literally, it's not, this is most of the things that you also need to get. This is literally everything, because you've got your developer in here, and then you've got your customized colorant in here. Add that in there, shake it up, pop your stain guard on just to protect the areas as we spoke about a moment ago. Pop your gloves on, comb through your beard, and then apply with your fingers and then brush it through the beard area. Now, a couple of people have pointed out that it's a bit of a stretch for me to say I've got a beard. A proper beard is a proper beard. I've more got facial hair, but it's something I started in lockdown. I wasn't intending to keep it. It was just for a couple of weeks, and people said they like it, they think it suits me. I kind of get used to it. My wife is like, yeah, whatever. She's very easygoing, but she's just as well living with me. And it's mostly done it, but there are still noticeable bits of grey here and here where I had the biggest grey before. So I think the takeaway for this is that it's a very easy product to use, very, very pleasant, no horrible ammonia smell, absolutely zero stinging or any discomfort using it. Very easy to use. You've got everything you could possibly need in the kit, and it also explains it very, very well. So it's perfect for someone if you've never done any form of colorant or yourself, or then it's just so straightforward. Anyone can follow it. If you're looking to go sort of jet black or to a strong color straight away, then chances are this isn't the product for you. In which case you could use something like the Just for Men beard touch up that I used to use. Now the problem with that, apart from the fact that I don't like the new formula, is that you put it on and it only needs to go on for 5 minutes. All you need to do is leave it on just a little bit too long, and you literally, it's, you know, I've literally had a case where it's gone almost jet black, and what it does is it basically puts a big neon sign that says, look, I've dyed my beard, which we don't want to do. So from a natural point of view, this I feel gives a much more natural result. And what I would expect to do, or what I plan to do, is do this and then again in another couple of weeks and just gently build up to and then maintain it. So I think from a natural point of view, if you've got quite a noticeable bit of grey that you want to lose, but you don't want to have that Monday morning go back to work and everyone goes, oh look, what's he done to his beard? Has he dyed it? If you want to avoid that, which I think most of us would want to do, then this is a kit that gives you what you need from a colourant that is more subtle and more natural. So I didn't actually need to use the stain remover at all that's in the kit. Now whether that's because I have such a shallow beard, or whether it's because I've dyed my beard before and so I'm quite accurate, or that I was particularly accurate putting the stain guard. So the kit itself is like an awful lot of skincare products nowadays for men. It's on a subscription service. Now you can do a one-off. So if you to buy one kit just to give it a try, that's £24. Or if you have it on subscription, it's £19 per box. I like to have my beard grey gone, and I'm fortunate in that I have a little bit of disposable income at the end of each month, so I can afford to splurge on things like this or nice skincare. Not everybody can, but what I would suggest is if you're thinking about it, buy the one-off box, go through the website, you answer a series of questions that they customize your dye color to your questions. You can also upload a photograph to their website, and they've actually got actual trained colorists rather than just an algorithm in the back of the website that works out what color you're going to use. And they make up that color. Get that single box. As I say, it's £24 standard price, but I would look around and see if there's offers. Give it a try, see if it works for you. Now, obviously, they don't just do colouring for the beard, they do colouring for the hair as well. So it may be that in future I get a kit that will do the whole thing. Now, I don't have too much grey in my hair. I have got some coming through, probably more than I'm willing to admit. My wife says it's quite obvious, and I pretend it isn't. So I would probably start using something on my hair fairly soon, but for me the grey comes through on the beard way before it comes through on the head hair. So my personal takeaway, guys, for this kit is it's super easy to use. It's ideal if you've never done any colouring before. You've literally got everything you need. As long as you've got a mirror and running water, you're golden. Everything else is supplied. It's very, very well thought out, very easily described. Ammonia-free products, very, very pleasant and easy to use, a real cinch even if you've not coloured before, and it gives a gradual colour change rather than an instant colour change, so just be aware of that. I would say give it a try if you're looking to lose the grey, whether it's your hair or your beard. Give it a try the one-off first, and if it works for you, then think about this subscription. It may be that you don't need the subscription every single month. It may be that you can do it every other month, in which case obviously it makes it that much more affordable. Because I have short hair, as soon as I trim it on my beard, the greys come through again, so I have to actually touch up my beard, or anyone with short hair on their beard, facial hair, has to touch it up more often. So that's what I think. What do you guys think? Do you think it's made any difference at all? Can you see any difference? I can see a difference, but I'm not quite sure if it's coming up on the camera or not. Would you use a dye? Have you used a dye? What do you use already? Have you tried this? Is £19 a month, or the equivalent in your country, far, far too much? Or do you think that's reasonable to pay just to keep those grey silver looks away? So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please do take a moment to hit like. Also, please subscribe to the channel. YouTube does not recommend small channels like mine, so the more subs we can get, the larger the community can grow. The products I'm reviewing I pay for out of my own money. I don't make money off the channel, but what I would like is to grow the channel so more guys see it, so more guys take care of themselves. So if you're able to like, if you're able to share, please subscribe if you haven't already. It would be very much appreciated. I'm Bear Clark. You're amazing as always, and I'll see you again real soon.